Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a bit of a update on what's going on. So I've got hopefully the electrician coming around tomorrow to fix up the electrics, as it's not quite safe as I'd like it to be. So he's going to be putting in a couple of extra lights, sockets each corner, as well as fixing up what we've already got in here. Hopefully it shouldn't be, hopefully not too long of a job tomorrow, but it should look a lot better and make things a lot easier for me to do some stuff. Guy called Bard Electricals, I think he lives just around the corner from me, but he's seems like a nice chap, reasonable price. But I'll give you some updates tomorrow, let you know how it's going. But hopefully I might get some work done in the garden while that's going on, debating whether I level the patio and put a deck in maybe. We'll see, not sure yet. But I can't wait for tomorrow. It'd be nice to have a proper workshop starting, even if it is only in a garage. But I'm looking forward to it. All right, thanks then.